Okay, so we are going to work on, this is 3.7, which is multiple deposits. Spelled today, multiple deposits. So remember for section 3.5, we had where we were doing 1. So this one we're now doing 2. So we have a 14. So our question is, how can you calculate your savings account balance for multiple deposits? Okay, so multiple deposits. So it's multiple compound balance. Okay, so that's the, so it's what we call a periodic investment. So you think about, like, they talk about the periods, like for the ocean tides, moon. So it's all, so it has, so you're adding money periodically. So it could be that you're depositing money each month into your savings account, each quarter, bi-weekly, like for each, if you're getting paid every other week, weekly. Okay. So for this so this is just a few examples. And keywords that you want to look for, everybody. So you'll say where it'll say like each month, each quarter, each week. Okay. And the formula. So it's going to be balance is equal to, parentheses, it's the principal times 1 plus the rate divided by n raised to the n times t, so the number of times compound per year times time. And then you want to scroll left. Okay, make sure everybody you're doing all these little arrows. And then it's minus 1, double parenthesis, scroll down. Okay, and then on the bottom it's going to be the rate divided by n. Okay, so make sure everybody so parentheses, you always want pairs of parentheses. Okay, like a pair of turtle doves, pairs of parentheses. So we always want pairs. So you're going to see this, we always want pairs. So make sure you have your pairs of parentheses. Okay, so in here, pairs of parentheses. Okay, and I'm just doing some other arrows because you might too. It just depends on what you're using. But of course, everybody, this works fabulously with Desmos.com/calculator. And just so you know, if you use E on the keyboard for Desmos.com, you can use do that for a continuous formula too. Okay, so and then P stands for periodic investment. Okay, so let's do an example, everybody. So let's say for you and your spouse, are 28 years old. And you want to retire at 65. You are going to deposit, so you and your spouse are going to deposit $500 into an account each month at 4.5% compounded monthly. Okay, and you want to know what's your balance. Okay, so so the formula for this, everybody remember, is multiple compound balance. Okay, so the principal is 5,000. The rate is going to be 0.045. Our time is going to be 65 minus 28, so 37. Okay, N is going to be 12 because it's compounded monthly. Okay, so now we're going to put that all into our formula. So we're going to have balance is equal to, it's going to be 5,000 double parentheses 1 plus 0.045, 12, make sure you scroll left, parentheses, raised to the 12 times 37 minus 1, double parenthesis, scroll down, okay, and then you're going to do 0.045, scroll down and do 12. Okay, but you can also do this on Desmos.com backslash calculator. This works very well for this. Okay, and we want to know the interest earned. Okay, so I guess it would help if we actually have the balance. So our balance, so for you and your spouse, you have 569,231.84. Okay, our interest is going to be, so our interest earned is going to be its balance minus P times the principal times N times T. Okay, so we're going to have our balance minus 500 times the time 37 times 12. Okay, so we get interest is equal to, so how much money did you earn? So you earned $347,231.84. Okay, so that everybody is for the interest earned. That's how much money you and your spouse earned on your money. This is the formula for that one. Okay, so let's do another one. So let's say that you open a savings account. With $50, you deposit $50 every week for 10 years. Remember I said you could also deposit it every year, okay, at 3.97%, 3.975%, okay, compounded weekly. Okay, and you want to know what's your balance. Okay, so everybody, so we're going to put everything in. So formula, multiple compound balance. Okay. Principal, I don't remember what I could do it here. Principal, so $50. The rate is going to be 0.03975. Okay. Time is going to be 10 years. And compounded weekly, so 52. Okay. Now we're ready to put all that back into our formula. So principal is going to be equal to, so balance is going to be equal to, so it's going to be 50 times, I usually do like a little times right there, times 1 plus the rate. And yes, everybody remember we use all the numbers. Divide by number of times compounded per year. Remember to do that little left. Raised to the number of times compounded times the time. Remember to scroll left. Minus 1, double parentheses. And then we go down, and it's going to be 0.03975. Okay, and down to 52. Okay, so our balance. So we get $31,091.25. Okay, if we wanted to know our interest earned, because of course we do. So interest is equal to balance minus principal times n times t. So $31,911.25 minus 50 times 52 times 10. Okay, so we're going to put that all together. Okay, so you earned $5,911.25. Okay, so that would be the interest earned. Okay, everybody, you got this.